Why OPC UA? So the plant floor speaks one rich, secure language. Why i3X? So every application can listen through one common API. Better together, the meaning from OPC UA, the reach from i3X. Node i3X by Sterfive bridges them. Any OPC UA address space becomes a native i3X endpoint at the edge in one command.
Instead of writing integration code, Node i3X maps your OPC UA model automatically. Objects become assets, variables become properties, references become relationships, and a recent addition, OPC UA data types and value ranks become full JSON schema, so every property is self-describing. Here's an idea we'd like to put on the table. i3X is a young standard, and incorporating methods and actions may be its next great step. Our command invocation experiments are our way of exploring that with the community.
In the real world, OPC UA node identifiers could be volatile. Namespace indexes can shift on a server restart, quietly breaking web clients. Node i3X fixes this by hashing the full namespaced browse path into a stable, deterministic element ID that clients can cache with confidence. And with our decomposable asset model, a single request with the maxDepth parameter returns an asset's entire internal state, recursively, in one clean JSON payload.
Want to try it? Zero install. Head to i3xportal.sterfive.io. Paste your OPC UA endpoint, and the portal spins up your own private Node i3X sandbox. Browse the namespaces, read live values, and stream updates with server-sent events. Just your browser. That's it.
Robustness matters. We ran the official i3X 1.0 conformance suite against this very instance, live. All required behavior passed, 53 checks, 0 failures, rated 1.0 compatible. And when you scale to production, our optimized client adds smart batching and auto-healing connections for up to 200% more throughput.
This is a polished technical product video. i3X Explorer, the official i3X client by ACE Technologies, connecting to our endpoint. The full plant hierarchy appears, objects and relationships intact. Pick a sensor, subscribe, and live values stream in, from OPC UA through Node i3X into a client we didn't write. That's what a standard is for.
We support your whole journey, from sandbox to production. Node i3X is dual licensed, free and open source under AGPL for evaluation, and commercially supported by Sterfive for closed source enterprise deployments. Visit the portal to spin up a bridge in seconds, star us on GitHub, or email contact@sterfive.com to talk licensing.
That's us, Sterfive, the folks behind Node OPC UA, OPC Foundation, and Umati members. All the links are on screen. Come build with us.